I've been doing this YouTube thing, and I think it's about time I take it seriously.
Ryan Little. I stay in a bag, thing on my hip, fucking in a bag. I stay with a bitch, smelling like a bitch, smelling like a fella. Seeing this money that I've seen none of you fellas. Drop a song and these famous bitches love it. I'm a dog, they don't root for me in public. If I hit it, then it ain't worth no discussion. You the reason that our city buzzing. All my bros collect, all my bros is legs. Who need work? I can plug you with connects. She get hot, who you call collect? Who you just finesse? Go lay low out west. Money get lost when you chase it. She looking at me for, she be looking at me bro. Money get lost when you chase it. She looking at me for, she be looking at me bro. Money get lost when you chase it. She looking at me for, she be looking at me bro. Money get lost when you chase it. She looking at me for, she be looking at me bro.
That's me wanting y'all. Hey my loves, I know that you haven't spoken in a very long time, and that is because it's a lot. I don't know where to start. I'm at a point where I really don't know where to start, but I'm getting somewhere. So yeah, at the beginning of March or end of Feb, I started on a new job and I just got back from it. Just wrapped it and I came back feeling a bit fluish. I don't know what's wrong with my immune system nowadays, because I remember last year when I was wrapping the other job, my previous job, and then now again I'm wrapping another job, the flu. I don't know, it feels like a sequence. But anyways, yeah, but now I'm all yours and I'm gonna try my best to give you guys content for the next I don't know how many months. But yeah guys, today it is a Saturday, and also it's my birthday month. It was my birthday I think about 2 weeks ago, and the thing about my birthday is that the week before my birthday I had forgotten that it was actually going to be my birthday. So I didn't get to celebrate my birthday or plan anything, but my person made sure that I do enjoy my birthday. He took me out, bought me a present. So we just had a beautiful evening. It was really cute. Yeah, I love and appreciate him so much. And my friend just left, my bestie Westie just left. She brought me a present, and I don't know if I need to show you guys. She came bearing gifts. She bought me a bag, y'all. She bought me a cute bag, and I really cannot wait to utilize it. I'm going to freaking abuse it. But I have a thing of not, I don't know, I just like keeping my new stuff new. But I promise that I will make it a priority to wear this baby out soon. And she also got me a bunch of flowers that I'm probably going to show you guys in a few because I need to prepare them and put them in a vase. So yeah, yeah man, I do have another, like, you know, I have a few gifts. I also got new shoes. It's not a lot, but yeah, I got new shoes, and there's like more things that I want to show you guys. I also want to do a try on haul, but I'm not sure if I should do it in this video or maybe I should save it for another video. I'm not sure, but I don't like doing try on hauls on a vlog, but I'll see how it goes. But yeah, I think I should have like things to do for this vlog. So yeah, I'm so sorry guys, just please bear with me. Flu is killing me at the moment, but yeah guys. Heading around to do my nails. I don't know if I showed you guys my nails, so they look a mess. So yeah, I need to get me back to, I don't know, I need to get me back to who I was before. I don't know if it makes sense. But yeah, I'm running a bit late. I'm probably gonna get there around 12:15. The time is now 12 o'clock, so I'll probably get there by 12:15. I was supposed to be there at 12, but yeah, I'm just a girl. So hey my loves, I just got back from doing my nails. I'm so sorry I couldn't vlog while I was there. I think I should wrap this vlog because there isn't much to do anymore. Thank you so much for watching my video. Am I loving my nails? Kind of. This was my third time going to this nail tech, and like I don't have any complaints. I wanted to do Frenchies, but it's gonna take some time for me to trust her because I've only done plain nails whenever I went to her, and this was my third time going to her. And yeah, I'll see next time when I go to her. I've been trying to find a reliable nail tech, and I think I have found one, so we'll see. Thank you so much you guys for watching this vlog. We've been doing this YouTube thing, and I think it's about time I take it seriously. And y'all should also pop your comments down below, engage with my content so that we can grow and get monetized, reach 1,000 subscribers. I mean, it's been a long time coming. So yeah my loves, thank you so much for watching. We will see each other on our next video. Alrighty.